Once upon a time in Alex,
we want to fight for our rights. We haven't got any service delivery.
Anger and frustration built up and spilled onto the streets. Alex, as we know it, was in total shutdown. It prompted a joint hearing by two Chapter 9 institutions.
We'll be in touch with their office,
The Human Rights Commission and the Public Protector. The latter focused on allegations of corruption in the Alex Renewal Project, among others.
Never been in Alex, how would I know?
The concerns are that too much money has been used, too little has been delivered.
And there have been findings.
The Department of Housing and Service Delivery did not avail records in connection with financial procurement, business plans, maps, drawings, contracts, list of service providers and expenditure incurred or undertaken under ARP due to alleged seizure of such documents by COJ's forensic investigators. As a result of the lack or absence of such records, no audit could be done by the Office of the Auditor General of South Africa as well as by the Joint Investigation Team.
But a law firm has since been appointed by the city to conduct a forensic investigation and recommendations to the city's manager.
Within 30 working days of the date of this report, submit a project plan to the Public Protector for ARP forensic investigation, which is being conducted by this firm of attorneys, in order to be assisted when necessary, and within 30 days thereafter, the COJ must submit to the Public Protector a final copy of the ARP forensic report.
Issues of housing also emphasized.
We direct the head of housing and settlement to, within the 60 working days of date of this report, submit a detailed project implementation plan relating to identified RDP housing needs in Alexandra and criteria to be used when identifying, qualifying and preferential beneficiaries.
And these are human rights issues. The Commission found that a population of 750,000 people lives in 800 hectares of Alex. The township is overcrowded.
Their right to dignity, as well as many of their other human rights, have not been respected, protected, and fulfilled. Clearly, whatever has been done by government, or whatever has been done by government up until the shutdown protest and immediately thereafter, leaves much to be desired, or left much to be desired as well.
And recommendations to organs of state.
Measures taken in response to the number of people who applied for state or RDP housing in the mid-1990s and who 20 years later are still waiting to be allocated housing. Secondly, controls in place to mitigate against the reoccurrence of illegal occupation of RDP housing allocated to other people, as well as the erection of illegal structures.
That and a bylaw implementation plan must be submitted within 60 working days. SABC News, Johannesburg.